Hey everyone, welcome to Hamad Vision, your go-to place for simple and effective health tips. Struggling to stay fit but don't know where to start? Don't worry, I've got you covered. In this video, I'll show you 10 easy exercises you can do daily to boost your health and energy. No equipment, no gym, just simple moves anyone can follow. Stick around till the end, and let's kickstart your fitness journey together. 1. Wall push-ups. Strengthen your upper body. Let's start with wall push-ups. If regular push-ups feel too hard, don't worry. This is perfect for beginners. Just place your hands on a wall, lean forward slightly, and push yourself back. This exercise strengthens your chest, shoulders, and arms without putting pressure on your joints. It's simple, effective, and you can do it anywhere. 2. Bodyweight squats. Boost your leg. Strength. Next up, squats. You've probably heard how great they are, and it's true. Squats work your legs, glutes, and core, all in one move. Stand with your feet shoulder-width apart, lower yourself down as if you're sitting in a chair, and then push back up. Start slow and focus on good form to avoid injury. 3. Knee push-ups. Build upper body strength. Feeling like full push-ups are too tough? No worries. Knee push-ups are here to help. Get down on your knees, place your hands slightly wider than shoulder width, and lower your chest down. This move will strengthen your arms and chest step by step. Start with just a few reps and build your way up. 4. Seated leg lifts. Strengthen your core. Want to work your abs while sitting? Try seated leg lifts. Sit on a chair, keep your back straight, and lift one leg at a time. This exercise strengthens your lower abs and improves balance. Perfect for beginners and easy to do while watching TV. 5. Marching in place. Easy cardio boost. Now it's time to get your heart pumping. Marching in place is a great way to improve your cardiovascular health without stressing your knees. Just lift your knees up, swing your arms, and keep moving. It's a fun way to stay active indoors. 6. Standing side leg raises. Improve balance and strength. Standing side leg raises are fantastic for toning your hips and legs. Just stand tall, lift one leg to the side, and lower it slowly. This move helps with balance and strengthens your lower body, making everyday movements easier. 7. Arm circles. Loosen up your shoulders. Let's not forget our upper body. Arm circles are a super simple exercise that improves shoulder flexibility and helps relieve tension. Just extend your arms and make small circles, first forward, then backward. You'll feel the burn in no time. 8. Toe touches. Stretch and improve flexibility. Want to improve your flexibility? Toe touches are the way to go. Just reach down towards your toes, keeping your legs straight, and feel the stretch in your hamstrings and back. Don't worry if you can't touch your toes yet. Progress happens over time. 9. Glute bridges. Strengthen your lower back and hips. Let's work on our glutes and lower back with glute bridges. Lie on your back, bend your knees, and lift your hips towards the ceiling. This exercise is amazing for improving posture and strengthening your core muscles. 10. Cat-cow stretch. Relax your spine. Finally, let's end with a relaxing stretch, the cat-cow stretch. Get on all fours, arch your back up like a cat, then drop your belly and lift your head. This stretch is perfect to relieve tension and improve spinal mobility. And there you have it. 10 beginner-friendly exercises you can do every day to stay fit and feel amazing. Remember, consistency is key. Start small, stay committed, and watch your fitness improve. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below which exercise was your favorite. See you next time on Hamad Vision.